Hello and welcome to this Checkmate in 2 chess puzzle. This one was created by R B Wormald in 1877. Black has the king, 5 pawns and a knight and a rook. White has the king, pair of bishops, a knight, pair of rooks, 4 pawns and the queen. It's White's turn. Can you see how to do the checkmate in 2? You can get a checkmate in 3 but not 2 by taking the rook with the bishop. Black pushes the pawn, you can then take that with the other rook. Black can then take the rook with their pawn, but you can move in with a checkmate in 3 but not 2 with the knight. There's another checkmate in 3 but not 2 by moving the rook to c2. Black can take it with the pawn and then check the king with the knight. The king can't move, but the rook can take the knight. Then the other rook can move into d5 to checkmate in 3. You move the rook to h5. Black can take the other rook with the pawn. You can then take it back with the rook. The king can take the rook. Then you can move in with the knight to checkmate in 3, but not 2. Rook to e2 is also a mate in 3. Black can take the rook with the pawn. You can then take back with the rook. Black tries to push the pawn. You can then mate with the queen move to b8. Let's take a look at the solution to this one, so pause the video if you need a bit more time. Checkmate in 2, you need to move the rook to h6. Black takes the rook with the pawn, and the queen can move into f6 to checkmate in 2. Black pushes the c pawn. You can then move the queen to b8 to checkmate in 2. If black takes the rook with their f pawn, you can then move the queen to f8 to checkmate in 2. And if black takes the rook with the king, you can then move the knight to c4 to checkmate in 2. Okay, that's it for now. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.